Alright, so we are here at the Seminole Hard Rock in Hollywood, and we're playing some $10 play 9-5 jacks or better. So let's see how this goes.
Starting off with some full houses.
One full house. Better than none.
It is. Careful of that button there. We had a problem with that button all the way on the road. Wait, wrong game. Well, even a double bonus you would have given. Wait. You got a straight flush.
Oh.
3 card straight flush. That's starting off slow this morning.
Alrighty, so let's see here. Full house on the go. I doubled up holding a queen.
That was pretty good. Not going to do holding a pair of kings. Worse.
I can, you're right. I barely even improved there. 5, 6, now 4s, right?
Double inside straight flush. Top
Ones I get. Wow, no improvement.
You'll improve on this straight draw.
3. That's not bad. I'll take it. Just making money. 3 again. I'll do that every time. 4 a kind. Nice.
Wow.
Look at me go. See, how can I improve this one? Here, you only keep 2 old face cards.
Can you get 3 flushes here?
2. I'll take it.
It's okay. Break it even. Got quads on the last 9s. Can I do it again? No, I can't. Okay, queen ace. Dealt flush there for a second. No, I think you get down to 700, I'm going to have to come in and bail you out. Hopefully you don't get that low.
Okay, hopefully. Sixes. Halfway there. Okay, Max, that's an easy hit. World class, here we go. Okay. What were you the master of on this machine? It was 9s, wasn't it?
9 was my number, magic number.
Okay. I'll have you press the button on the next 9s.
Okay. I can do that.
Not looking too good here.
Sure, you can keep going.
Alright, I'm still in this, baby. Let's go.
Let
Number 9s.
me
Hit
push
that
that button.
No such luck.
Not quite as good as the other day. Got a couple of full houses here.
I got one. Is one good enough for you?
Yeah, not bad. Alright, make a little bit of a comeback here. That's good.
Oh boy. Look out, world. Here I come. Full house out of nowhere. Saved by the full house.
Do it again?
No, not quite. That's not how you do it again. Ouch.
Wow.
Over
Yeah.
2. Wow.
That was bad. The worst was Super Time Space Super Seg. 0 for 19.
Yeah, that was pretty rough. There we go. That was
With a multiplier, we were 0 for 19.
no such luck that time, but I'll still take a double up.
Wow. Another 0 for 10.
Whoa.
2 0 for 10.
In a
Uh-oh.
row.
We're going to be below 700 here in a minute. Come on. Oh, look
We're
at
still
that.
in this, baby.
See if you can get it all back now. Fine with me. I'd rather you play and get it all back.
Here we go. Quads. Give it to me. No such luck.
Sound like Rick James. Give it to me, baby. Okay. Now we got it.
Still lost money, but that full house definitely saved us.
Uh-oh. This looks kind of sad.
There.
Triple
All
up.
right. We got to
We're
switch.
going to swap it out. Okay, let's switch.
All right, we swapped it up here.
Wow.
Not a good start. Not a good start.
Slow start. I was so sure that I was going to turn it all around here. What the hell happened? I don't know. A very slow start.
Nice.
You're saying nice to me that I got 25? I'm
No,
up
I
to,
was
I'm
saying
up
nice.
to
The guy
25
next to
now.
us got Delta Full House. Why can't you get Delta Full House, Dad?
That's a good question. Why can't I get Delta Full?
Boy, if I ever record you guys
I'm getting closer though. I've almost got our money back in one hand. Let's see.
You've almost not lost.
I've almost done it exactly. Wow. I'm getting worse again. Too much pressure.
live out of curiosity?
No, we're recording for later, yeah.
Well, it doesn't look like I have the mojo today, does it? Haven't even had one hand where I got our $50 back. Wow, these are pathetic.
That will happen. That's why they call it gambling, Dad. That'd be a lesson to you that gambling never pays. A wise man once told me that.
Well, today it certainly doesn't seem to be paying. Wow, not one Del Pan winner. Wow. These are pathetic. I seem to have done worse. Wow, it's incredibly bad. I think the best I did was 40.
Turn it around with these quads.
Is that the first pair I've got? Not even a high pair, just a pair in general.
Yeah, let me hit that spin button for you. I'll hit the spin button
I think
for
I
you.
broke even now. Look at that. There we go. It's all turning around.
First winning hand.
Look at that.
All right, you
winner.
did it. You did it. Congratulations, Dad.
Thank you. My winner, followed by a complete loser. Couple of flushes, Liz?
I thought for sure you were going to go over 10 on that.
No way. Have confidence. Alright, this doesn't seem to be our game today. What do you want to do?
I don't know. Let's ride it till the wheels fall off.
Look at that. Great. Didn't help that much.
All right, the last 3 spins.
First full house.
Saved by the full
Look
house.
at that. That was a redraw. Maybe I should
Just
throw away
the hand every time.
Whatever I'm dealt, throw it away and go for the redraw.
I gotta answer this. All right, we're out of here. A quick $1,000.